These 3 packs of journaling cards, which are including 10 journaling cards each pack, will be available in my Etsy shop. Link down below in the description box. Hi, this is Mel from Mapping Journals. I showed you the creating process of some of these cards, and this video is to flip through so that you can get a bit of inspiration. And if you're interested in a specific pile of journaling cards, all the details will be in my Etsy shop, where I have the link down below in the description box, as I told you before. So, first of all of these packs includes 10 journaling cards. All of them are self-made, handmade. So I included one with a Reader's Digest book image, which is a bit taller, and you have writing space on the back. Then one with a paper pad, which is a bit taller, and writing space on the back. And the first pile, which is this one, has these 8 cards, which are all plain on the back. So I used up book pages as glue paper. Then I glued them together. So folded them over, glued them together, and put on one image of a paper pad. So the first pile is not decorated further. I just put on, this is because of the glue, I just glued on these papers from the paper pad, sewed around the edges, and put something on the back, so to give you writing space. So the first pile is more for writing space. I show you all the details. Just going through a bit faster so that we don't have to stay here all day. So these are really cool for journaling. These have the size DIN A6 approximately. So this was the first pile. The second pile includes 10 journaling cards again. This is upside down. No, it isn't. Again, one image of a Reader's Digest book and a bit of journaling space on the back. Again, one of these bigger cards, which I decorated a bit, and journaling space on the back. And then we have 8 of these smaller cards. Some of them are more decorated, like this. And you don't have really writing space. You can write on here, but these are more for the good look, or to put down images. So you can glue down or even saw down images, photos, or tickets for daily life, something like this. So to keep your memories. For example, you can write a quote on here, or a date, or something that happened in your life, and here you can write on too. So it's a variety of journaling cards. So you have a bit of writing space here and there, but some of them are just decorated for the good look. So if you want to have some writing space, you can put on, for example, you can write a date on here. For example, you can put on something here, a piece of paper, a label, or just glue on things from your daily life, just to make them standing out in your journal a bit more. This you can, for example, you flip around a bit. So this is one page, and the other page is in this direction. And this is the last one with this cool tab, which says, this girl is on fire, and this says, preserving traditions through time. And if I used, so this is from a Stamperia paper pad, for example. This is from Roxy Creations. I do remember this is a digital printable. This again, and I used some labels. This is a label I bought. This is a digital printable, and some of the other labels as well. And I will link down the shops where I bought the digital printable labels for you, so that you know where I got my stuff from. Because I don't remember the names right now, and I don't want to tell you something wrong, but I will put them down below in the info box as well. So the third pile, again, you have this book page image from Reader's Digest books. This is a grandma reading, and I put on this paper doily. Sorry. Then again, one of these bigger paper pads, and I put on this frame and writing space on the back with a bit of a map and a bit of a printable, tea-dyed paper, and so on. Let's just move this out of the way a bit. And then, oops, upside down, a few cards. She believed she could, so she did. Some writing space here, some lace, bit of collage, bit of stitching. This is a washi is German. A washi sticker. Washi sticker. I think it's called washi sticker. This is a die cut or a fuzzy cut, I don't remember. This is from a Stamperia paper pad. You have some writing space on here and on here, for example. So these labels I bought, I think these are from different shops, linked down below. I used some fabric and laces just to give you a variety of papers. A washi sticker again, a bit of fabric, printable sticker, a bit of this paper I put on the both pages, and so on and so on, scrapbooking paper and so on. So just to give you a bit of space, I think this is upside down, but anyway, yes, because I folded it over. This is die cut. Here again some fabric to give you a bit more structure. Really love this. Oops. And the last one is this one. So all these 3 packs of journaling cards will be available in my Etsy shop. If you're interested in how I created them, please take a look through my channel. I cannot link all the videos down below because it would be a really long list, but please just take a look through my channel because I showed you some the decorations and the process of some of these cards. So if you have any further questions, please tell me in the comments, leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and until next time, thanks for watching. Bye!